Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and this is the best soul food fried cabbage, and it's Southern fried cabbage. Easy recipe, y'all. Here are the ingredients, and let me know what you think. Try this, try this. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, so another request. We're doing some fried cabbages with some mini sweet peppers, onion, some diced up carrots, some black pepper, soul food seasoning, some ground red pepper, well, crushed red pepper, and some slap your mama seasoning. Oh yeah. Here we go. All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna first do, I've already washed this head of cabbage. Now I'm gonna cut it up and re-wash it so I can make sure all these insides are clean, okay? So I'm gonna do that, and then when I come back, I'll dice up these onions. I'll go ahead and wash these sweet peppers, and we're gonna get this party started. All right, you guys, so I got my cabbages and my carrots and my sweet bell peppers all cut up. They've been washed, and I'm getting ready to put them in the pot. I got my grease heated up. My onions are gonna go in first, and we're gonna be ready to go. And in addition to the other seasonings you saw me having for my cabbages, I'll also be putting 2 packs of these in with my cabbages. And of course a tablespoon of sugar, because you gotta have that little seasoning. All right, you guys, and these are my fried down cabbages with the good old carrots and the red peppers and the yellow peppers and the onions. Is that good, or is that steamy good, or what? Oh yeah. All right, you guys, there it is. Y'all don't forget, check out PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, where we're gonna be mukbanging these. Oh yeah, fried cabbages, Southern style.